Emma Obibi Akwaba Eba GBC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news, Ena Mede Bremo. Okudzeto, Northern MP, or also ranking member on Foreign Affairs Committee, Wasadi Sembi Ambetuja, Chese, President Akufo Addo, Aboka, 4.1 million Ghana cedis, recent travel year, Chese, President Asa Chata, and Ase Wasako High, Luxuríous private jet beam, costed 4.1 million Ghana cedis. Now, answer never cause answer. Say own subscriber ya message say obe subscriber or click subscribe button na wabele notification. Or any new video upload be ano also benye bi share. I feel we are na or like a video no my thumbs up na fi wa share ma afoforo so enye bi enhwe afi yonko in seminimu. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa Northern MP asadi abebom biem say Akufo Addo asa konechi o high private jet bo manika Ghana for kan affiliate wasako wechibim asako chata private jet na no no dia betum say private jet nanado chata ya no amaya boka 4.1 million Ghana cedis just say cost 4.1 million Ghana cedis private jet nanado chata na siya oko Rwanda so esako Belgium. Now,
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Akufo
Hot
Addo
news
used
all
a private
time.
jet for 2 recent trips to Belgium and Rwanda, which trips are costing the Ghanaian taxpayer 480,000 euro, equivalent to 4.1 million Ghana cedis. Samuel Okudzeto Chese Nanuya President Akwentu our chata private jet no costed taxpayers no 480,000 euros. Odeba Ghana's kama 4.1 million cedis. Now, Otwaswa, the MP, who is also a ranking member of the Foreign Affairs Committee, has subsequently slammed the president for insensitivity, recklessness, and undue profligacy for his latest private jet charter. To say, your president, Nana Donkor, and Ghana for whom Nkoranza or sika keke, say whatever charter a private jet. Na Okudzeto Ablakwa Southwest was President Kaneno Nanka or the Luxembourg based flyer and an echo now we are not say obesisano said a bay Ghana for to okofa Agyemang based operator. They say we are not just on Ghana for who say Wachata private jet then was switch company. Now was say as usual President Akufo Addo ordered their top of the range and most expensive aircraft in their collection, the Airbus ACJ 319. It is registered D. Alex. Let us say the Nanado Kofa and the Ohemua had the boy dimpan the most expensive air war and no Kochata. Hey, President Nanado. On your Ghana phone crowd. Now, story neutral say, also touching on the cost component of the trip, Ablakwa noted that the taxpayer was paying 20,000 euro per hour for the service. And the total flight time of 21 hours he added came up to 480,000 euro. That is Dormaahene 20,000 euro and echo.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
480,000 euro. Winning Sama Okudzeto Ablakwa the two. No say this luxury monster is costing the Ghanaian taxpayer 20,000 euro per an hour. Winning Sama Okudzeto Ablakwa Edituja EFA president chartered Luxuríous jet here air cost Ghana 4.1 million cedis Ghana cedis. Na sansem we betuja na Ghana for bibi na bofu wana che wana dwen afa sansem a we Okudzeto Ablakwa edi betuja. Where the paparazzi ya was say Akufo Addo is inviting Arab Spring. He talked about 2016. While a milk is costing 7 Ghana cedi, geisha 7 cedi, 2 figures of plantain 5 cedi, small loaf of bread 12 cedi, cement bag 68 cedis, 3 tubers of cassava 10 cedi. Akufo Addo don't care about Ghanaians, but rather himself alone with luxurious lifestyle. What a cruel leader. And also not some of the buyer, I don't know. With the Akusia Bediako say JM was in energy crisis, he fixed it and built Terminal 3, hospitals, harbour expansion, schools, roads, etc. Akufo Addo and NPP government, common COVID, they couldn't manage and can't account for all the monies donated to Ghanaians. Sikano Ashe, Onuso Nasavono. Alfred Woolsworth or say if Ghanaians don't resist this type of oppressors rule in 2024 with blood and iron, our country will be doomed forever. So not some of the buy, I don't know. Joseph so say, Mr. President, for once try to let your name rest. The more people talk negatively against you, the more cases will come upon you. Please, Father, for the nation, leave good legacy for yourself, your country, and the contrary as well. So not some of the buy, you know. With the Williams Lugongo, or say Ghana is not only crying but bleeding. So this is how our president is managing our scanty resources in these hard times. So this is how protecting the public purse mean. Also not sema what they buy, I don't know. With the Chris Adam, or say I knew he wouldn't change. Before you wake up at 3 a.m. to join the queue to vote, I hope everyone thinks twice. These people don't care about anyone. Also not sema what they buy, I don't know. Wesude Ezekiel or say, I think Ghanaians are not angry enough, especially the opposition,
you are watching
to allow such a
news
human
on
being
YouTube.
wasting
Hot
our
news all
taxpayers' money.
time.
This is not normal. So Nasema or the buy, I don't know. With the Ekua Agyapong or say, he doesn't care why. His face is not going to be on any ballot paper. So next time, think when you are putting greedy, arrogant, and selfish people in office. Also Nasem, I don't know. Wesude Agbanu Kwame or say, sometimes it is good we learn in the hard way. I said it before, big grammar will not help us. Next time, men of God will lead this campaign again. We are waiting and shall be watching. And also, not some of the buy. Where the Nana Ashon or say, that a Pinto at it again. See the head and neck like something that you can't mention. You want to destroy every place by spending fourth generation money and properties. And also, not some of the buy. Where the Northern boy or say, what have we as Ghanaians benefited from these trips? This is the crux of the matter. If we have nothing to gain, just cheap popularity, then why spend our money like that at a time we are going through difficulties? What is wrong with all of us? Or also not somebody buy, I don't know. Where the Yao or say Ablakwa's fixation on expenditures in the Akufo Addo's government will be more credible if he had done just as fixated on government waste during Mahama's and Atamel's government. Ghana is a country which is reasonably well endowed, but we waste money. That tendency to waste money happens on the personal level and works its way into government spending. Also, Nasema Wadiba, I don't know. Where the little Joe or say Okudzeto Ablakwa think he's exposing the president to its fullest, but rather he's making him more popular. What type of door exposure did Ablakwa release anytime the president travels? Will it interesting to hear that the president has died through plane crash? Did you want the president to walk anytime he's traveling? Please,
you
Ablakwa,
are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
It's nuisance. Ablakwa, you are just 40 years. Find out from Ama Solomon Kansan, Alote Jacobs, etc. and other babies with sharp teeth, and you stop this your and also Naseba or the buy, I don't know. With the Kwame or say, and so what? Do you think it is easy to be at that position he is now? Allow the man to enjoy life. You even do more than that if you grab that opportunity. And also Nasema or the buy, I don't know. With the Daniel JM or say he will finish ask us to sacrifice and pay 11. Always ask myself, did people who voted for this man really use their head? Also Nasema or the buy, no. You if also bet me actually wadwin emphasize mu president awasa akochata another luxurious jet cost here 4.1 million Ghana cedis. Also bet me actually wadwin emphasize story hu e comment box ni mu bet me nka in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.